Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com, and welcome back to the next video of our pit bike series on our 2006 Kawasaki KLX110. Today, we're going to dive in and replace that shock spring on the rear suspension. Now, as you can tell, we've already been doing a lot of work and it's partially disassembled, but it's really not that tough of a project to do. So if you're ready, we're going to dive into this one. So let's go. All right, guys, only one part number required for today. I went with a spring from BBR, and let's face it, if you're trying to make your mini bike go faster, BBR is a great source for anything mini. Now, the only other thing we're going to need that's specialty is a spring compressor, because this spring is non-adjustable, so there's no way to relieve the tension on it without compressing it fully. So it'll be the first time I've ever used this particular tool from Motion Pro, so, well, we'll both learn something today. Well, step number one, let's get the seat, the gas tank out of the way, then we can drop out the shock. Looks like we've got a couple of 14s top and bottom to get to. All right, before we cut that loose, let's go ahead and lift up and support the back end. All right, guys, I should have covered this up a while back, but better late than never. Don't want any dirt getting in there. All right, first let's get off that top nut and bolt, let it drop down the suspension, and then we'll remove the rear set. There we go. All right, the bottom's not threaded. Well, let's see if we can get her to slide out of there. Come on down. There we go. Piece of cake. Let's go to the teardown bench. All right, guys, here is our special tool from Motion Pro. Some assembly required. Let me get this base plate mounted to it, and then we'll get that spring extracted and the new one installed. All right, let's get this thing flipped around. I'm just setting it up for a pin type, because it can do pin or clevis. All right, let's see if we can get this thing adjusted to where she needs to sit. All right, guys, you bring in these lower sheaves to pretty much grab the very top of the spring, and it's going to be pushing down on that as it's pulling against the upper pin. Now you want it to get far enough down to where you can release the collar that's holding the spring in position. Now once that drops out, then you can release the tension on the spring, and in this case there was so little room left I had to go ahead and remove the adapter and pull it out through the bottom of the base. It works, but just barely on a shock this small. Whew. So let me get this cleaned up, and then we'll get the new spring installed. Probably gonna have to go back the same way. We'll get this in there first, and then bring it up. This spring has a much stronger or stiffer rate than the stock one. So it's gonna be harder to compress and be able to deal with a heavier rider. Not super wild about the way it's pulling up past that one edge. I think she'll hold. Don't move, don't move. It's a really cool tool, but you better make sure you let it push straight on it, because it only has about that much on either side to hold that spring. But hey, it got it in there. There you go. Now, all we got to do is remount it to the machine. Let's put some fresh grease on these bolts. They were looking pretty sad when they came off. Not on the threads, just on the body of them right there. All right, guys, before you get ahead of yourselves, make sure you've got these eyelets in line, and then we can get it popped in. Remember, our top one is threaded. bottom just pushes straight through. All right, the magic number here is 29 foot-pounds, but the trick is we need to torque this going into the frame at 29, and then we're going to put on the two nuts and torque those to 29. Well, all right, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. And yes, I know I still have a lot of work to do, but if you want to see all of that unfold, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll know when we drop the next video on this particular unit. Well, listen, if you need any parts for your machine, why don't you come see us at Partzilla.com and we can get you taken care of. And hey, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and I will do my best to answer them. We just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at Partzilla, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.